Good evening. I'm Butthead. The movie you are about to see will be presented using special 3D technology. You will see the jackasses like no human being has ever seen them before. In 3 dimensions.
In order to experience this new dimension, you must put on the special glasses that you were given in the lobby. That's gonna be cool. Doesn't really look any different, Butthead.
Whoa. Hey, Bevis. Look at my hand. It's in 3D.
Oh, really? I don't really see it. Whoa! Whoa, that's amazing! It felt like you really hit me. It's almost like your hand... Ow! Wow, it's amazing technology. Wait a second.
So sit back and enjoy the